Good day to everyone. Our topic for today are the different kinds of triangle, which is associated to the continuation patterns. The continuation patterns are usually shorter term than the reversal patterns, and the main difference is that they do trend consolidations and continuations rather than reversing the trend. Triangle patterns are often classified into one of three types of converging triangles: the symmetrical triangle, which has a top line descending and the lower line ascending. Second, the ascending triangle, which has a horizontal top line and a lower ascending line. The third is the descending triangle, which has a descending top line and a horizontal lower line. All the triangles have its own meaning and little differences. We will start at the symmetrical triangle, followed by ascending and descending triangle. This is the classic illustration of symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle can be seen both in the uptrend and downtrend, and the chances are that the same trend will resume when the price leaves the constraining lines of the triangle. The vertical lines at the start of the triangle, called the base, measure the height of the triangle pattern. The point in the future that meet the two lines of the triangles is called apex. Before we continue, please don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And also, please press the bell to notify you to my next videos. The triangle is really made up of two trend lines which converge at the apex. The top trend line is descending while the lower trend line is ascending. You need at least 2 points to draw a trend line. After another point is created, you would realize that the pattern is a symmetrical triangle. The price will oscillate within the triangle. The top trend line becomes resistance and the bottom trend line becomes support during the price movement. The price movement becomes tighter and tighter as it approaches to the apex. The triangle pattern will be completed and the signal given when the price breaks out and closes outside the triangle. Volume is important to reinforce the pattern. As the price oscillates within the triangle, the trading volume should reduce, and when the breakout happens, you should expect heavier volume. Volume in the uptrend is more important in the pattern. The triangle as depicted shows a couple of techniques for price targeting. The best entry price is mostly after 2 days of the breakout price, or if the price is temporarily retraced. The target is by using the base of the triangle and project where the price breakout. This is the example of symmetrical triangle in the uptrend and using the base as projecting the target price. The second possibility of estimating the target price is to draw a line parallel to the lower trend line and connect to the top of the base of the triangle. Another way of projecting target price using the lower trend line, connecting to the tip of the base. Our next is ascending triangle, which is shown in the illustration is definitely bullish. It is usually seen in an uptrend and it is a continuation pattern. It is basically showing that the buyers are being aggressive trying to break the resistance level until it succeeds in the breakout. That is why it would be unusual for it to break out to the downside. The completion of ascending triangle pattern is when the price closes on a breakout above horizontal upper line. The volume will provide confirmation of the strength, and you would expect to increase on the breakout. The volume is reducing while the price is oscillating inside the triangle. The best entry is the breakout on the horizontal trend with an increase of volume. Or if you miss the breakout, retracement is another chance to enter. The easiest way to determine a minimum target price is to project the vertical lines at the start of the triangle and connect on the breakout point. This is the example of the ascending triangle with an entry and target price. Our last is descending triangle. Descending triangle, as shown in the illustration, is occur at a downtrend and it is associated as a continuation pattern. Descending triangle is the reverse of ascending triangle and it is bearish pattern. The top descending trend line becomes resistance and below horizontal trend line is the support. The price is oscillating inside the triangle and it is tighter and tighter until it breaks the support line. Breaking the support line is called breakout point. And when the price closes outside the breakout point, the pattern is now complete. Again, the simplest way to take the minimum target price is to project the vertical baseline to the breakout point, and the entry will be at the breakout point. This is the example of descending triangle. Thank you for watching. Till my next video. Bye.